Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right at the controls. Pause the game and open settings, then tap accessibility. You want to be in the accessibility panel because that's where narrator lives. Once you're there, scan the list for the narrator entry. Do not confuse it with subtitles or chat settings. Make sure you're in the correct profile or platform version. Different editions list this option in slightly different orders. Now prepare to change the narrator mode to stop voice output. You're in the narrator controls now. Click the drop-down or flip the toggle and choose off. That's the only setting that fully silences Minecraft's built-in narrator. If options list all, chat, or commands, those keep speech for different content, don't pick them. Once done, hit apply or save if visible. Some versions change live, others require confirmation. If you switch accounts, repeat this step. Make sure the volume isn't routing through a separate TTS app. Finish by resuming the game and verifying silence. Speak a chat message or run a command to test. If the narrator still speaks, the likely cause is your operating system's screen reader rather than Minecraft itself. Open your OS accessibility settings and turn off narrator or voiceover. If that's off and speech continues, save, quit, and restart the game or device to clear a stuck TTS instance. One troubleshooting tip: mute any third-party.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.